Welcome to the 40 Love V2 training on tournaments. Here we'll cover everything you need to know about setting up and running a tournament within your club.
Tournaments in 40 Love are, again, accessible from the navigation bar on the left-hand side. You'll see live tournaments, drafts, and completed ones all listed there. You can also filter by sport if you're running events across multiple sports. Let's take a look at what we're storing in a tournament setup. In 40 Love, a tournament starts with a round-robin stage and ends with a knockout, a bit like the ATP Finals or the World Cup football. To create a new tournament, click on the function drop-down shown as 3 dots on the right-hand corner. A new record is created and all the information needed to set up a tournament is blank and needs to be filled in by the administrator. But let's go back and find one we already have set up. Click on the pencil icon to open the tournament. You'll enter the usual details: title, start and end dates, and any subtitle or header info you'd like shown in the app. You can set the number of sets 1, 2, or 3 and choose if you'll use tie breaks. Match formats can be mixed: men's, ladies, fast 4, or standard 6-game sets, and you can decide between singles or doubles. We also include a weighted value for ranking points earned for winning matches, typically quite high since the format includes both round-robin and knockout stages. This influences the ranking points players earn. One feature that's especially useful for timed or one-day tournaments is the score entry. Normally, both players enter scores, but for speed, the organizer can allow just one player to upload results, helpful when matches need to turn over quickly. Now, let's open this information icon and look at the round-robin settings. As an admin, you can set how many times players or teams face each other in the round-robin stage. It defaults to once, but this is fully customizable. You can also control how many players advance from each division, usually 2, how many players are in each division, and how many total divisions you want to run. So that's how the round-robin phase is set up. And yes, you can make the tournament private if needed. Another powerful feature is the ability to use different scoring formats for the round-robin and knockout phases. For example, the round-robin could be a 1-set shootout with sudden death deuce and a 5-point tiebreak. Then, in the knockout stage, you could switch to best of 2 sets, tiebreaks to 7, and a championship tiebreak to 10 with standard 6-game sets and no sudden death. It's flexible and built to suit whatever format you need. Moving along to the leaderboards, the player setup is similar to other sections. The organizer just needs to assign players to divisions. In the leaderboard view, we place less emphasis on game difference and more on wins and matches played. For tournaments, the point system is usually 3 points for a win, 1 for a draw, and 0 for a loss. And yes, draws are possible in round-robin tournaments, which sets them apart from knockouts or box leagues. So in this example, a player who's played 3 matches, won 2 and drawn 1, would be sitting on 7 points. Once the round-robin phase is complete, as an administrator, you can tick the KO checkbox, the knockout checkbox, which will push that player through to the knockout stage. This is found in the player draw drop-down function. Usually the winners of each divisions are expected to go through, but the organizer can ultimately override that decision. You'll see that 4 players have made it to the semi-finals. From here, you can choose to seed them or leave it open, which will create a random draw. And that's it. It really is that simple.